I'm with Carly today, and today we are still in Canada. This is probably going to be uploaded the day after my morning one, because it's still the same day in real life. And now we are doing fireworks. So, and the fireworks are really pretty. So I'm going to show them to you guys. Let's get to it. That's like shaped like the USA.
Look how much mist is by that tower.
Oh my goodness, you can't even see it. There's a tower over there. See that little light in the air? Right there. Let's see, my finger points to it. Right there. That is a tower. And yeah, the mist from the waterfall in Niagara Falls is so high, it covers the tower. See, you can't even see it anymore. How am I getting the text message?
I turned my cellular data off.
So, me too. I turned mine off too. I don't know how he's still texting me. Those glittery ones are perfect. Whoa! No, it's not the finale. The finale is just boom after fireworks. It doesn't stop. These like take breaks. Wow, look at those little lights.
Can't see the tower anymore.
Yeah, you can't see the tower anymore.
Best friend.
Best friends. Yeah, back to the fireworks. Whoa, I love those. It's like 4th of July.
I need to get ready for the grand finale. Is this it?
No.
Sure?
Yeah. That's it?
Yep. That costs like $30,000.
Okay, so the fireworks ended.
Hurry up. Spin around. We don't want you to get hurt.
This is so hard. Stop.
We better wait. We catch the light.
Yeah, now we're walking back to our hotel and we'll probably show you guys around.
Watch out. Oh, they can't run us over. See you later. Now upstairs.
Look at those lights, yes.
Gotta love street art.
Yeah.
I feel like 6 hours to make $3.
Look at all those people. Look at that city. That is wonderful. I'm loving it. Yes, I am. It's beautiful. We're going to show you some more stores that we think are really cool. That building right there with the big lights, I don't know if you guys can see, but that is SpongeBob. SpongeBob 4D ride, the Great Jelly Rescue.
Yes.
88, Niagra Brewing Company, ice cold beer. We didn't really have any beer.
You're like,
though.
oh yeah, this.
Guinness's World Record Museum. Fun Factory's full of candy. Haunted House is right there. Oh, and then movie, whatever it's called. Castle of Dracula. We didn't go on that one. We went in Frankenstein's. Fudge Factory. All that popcorn. Ice cream there.
It's gross.
Yeah,
Oh my
yes,
God.
that is a gold guy.
And we went on that.
Oh yeah, and we went on that big Ferris wheel and Carly got so scared. I will literally post that on YouTube if this gets 5,000 views.
Mama, you're blocking the baby's view.
Girls right there, ready? Oh! I like your pants! At another Tim Hortons. Moose. Castle right there, and we got scared and we totally just wasted our money.
We ran out.
Yeah, we ran out and we wasted it and we never went through that because we got too scared. You are rocking that dress, girl. More than 28 miles, 46.5 kilometers of tunnels underneath the city of Niagara Falls carry the water to hydro plants. I don't know what this says, so just go ahead and pause it. There. Look, there's money right there. We should take it. Oh, no, it's fake. What is this? That's where we went. That's where we got poor. Because we totally just ditched it because we got scared. These moving theaters, we gotta go there tomorrow. You be over me in my shit. Oh, Sugar Mountain. Goodness.
Look, I've never seen four of those.
It's Starbucks.
I've never seen four of them.
Time to walk along the road. Time to walk, time to walk, time to walk. Cute shirt. Souvenir Mart, we need to go there. There's fidget cubes and fidget spinners.
In Canada.
Where are they?
Oh my God, get out of there.
I don't see them.
Shutty bad.
That person looks drunk. We are almost there. Donald Trump. That's where we're staying, y'all. PM, never heard of that. Gourmet. Yas, girl. My goodness, girl. Oh my goodness. No, never mind, y'all. That's where we're staying. Yep, we're staying at KFC.
Press resume.
There's freaking clowns, y'all. There's freaking clowns. Look at that big chair. Smells in here.
Really?
Everybody annoys
Pretty much.
Scott.
I'm thirsty.
Well, we have drinks in the room. Get some ice.
Okay, stop. Nobody wants to.
Wow.
Here is our beautiful room.
Minute.
I get to people watch.
We're stalkers.
Burgers and
Look at
night
that
food.
beauty.